In this video, I'll walk you through how to do text-to-speech on TikTok. Let's jump right in. I'm sure you're wondering how they do that voiceover thing. Well, no worries because today we'll be tackling about that. So, the first step is to ensure you have the latest update of TikTok. Head to Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iOS and search for the TikTok app. Check if there is an update if necessary. Once updated, open TikTok and start recording your video by tapping the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Record your video as usual. After recording, tap on the text icon at the top right to add text to your video. Type your desired text. For example, "Hi, what's up?" and tap on Done. Next, tap on your added text to reveal options. And here, select text to speech to enable the feature.
Hi, what's up?
The text will now be converted to speech
Hi, what's
automatically.
up?
You can adjust the duration and edit the text if needed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.